In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort stock symbols on MT5. If you've been trading for a while, you've probably noticed that your market watch window can get cluttered pretty quickly, especially when you're following a lot of different stocks. Finding a specific symbol in a long, unsorted list can be frustrating and time-consuming. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to organize your stock symbols in MetaTrader 5 using the built-in sort feature. This is a quick process, but understanding it clearly will save you a lot of time in your day-to-day trading. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that you can see the Market Watch window. The Market Watch is usually on the left side of your screen and shows all your available symbols along with their bid and ask prices. If you don't see it, you can usually enable it from the View menu at the top of the platform. Once the Market Watch window is visible, move your mouse over that area. You want to right-click directly inside the Market Watch list, not on any chart or other panel. It doesn't matter which symbol you right-click on, any symbol or any empty space within that window will work. Right-clicking here opens a context menu with several options related to how your symbols are displayed. After you right-click, a menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Sort. This is the feature that will automatically organize the symbols in your Market Watch. Go ahead and click on Sort. As soon as you do, MT5 will rearrange the list of symbols, typically in alphabetical order. This makes it much easier to scan through and quickly find the stock you're looking for. Take a moment to scroll through the list after sorting. You should see that everything looks more structured and predictable. If you're tracking specific stocks, this is especially helpful because you'll know exactly where each symbol should appear in the list. If you ever add new symbols or your list becomes messy again, you can repeat this process at any time. Just right-click on Market Watch and click on Sort again. It's a small step, but using it regularly will keep your workspace clean and help you stay more organized